little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful dog in a very easy way. Follow me and try to draw with me. I completed to draw the dog. Now it's time to color it. I'm using here red color. Here I'm using deep brown color. I will use this color for the whole dog. Wow, the dog is looking so cute and so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little champs. Wow!